Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a simple veg pulao recipe. It's very easy, can be prepared in 10 minutes. For that, in a pressure cooker, I have added 4 spoons of sunflower oil. To enhance the flavor of the pulao, I'm going to add 2 more spoons of ghee so that the pulao rice remains soft and smooth. Let both the oil and ghee get hot. After that, I'm going to add cinnamon 2, Elachi 3, Marathi Moggu 2, star anise 1, cloves 3, and fennel 1 spoon. Finally, I'm adding bay leaf 2. Sort all these spices well. After that, I'm adding green chili 2 and cashews 10. Fry the chili and the cashews till the color of the cashews change well. After that, we can add the onions. Now the color of the cashew has changed. I'm going to add 3 medium-sized onions. Saute the onions till the color of the onion starts to change. It is very necessary that the sauteing plays a very important role in preparing the pulao. So now if you see, the color of the onion has started to change, and now we are going to add the garlic paste 1.5 spoons. As it is a white pulao, I am avoiding the ginger. We can also add the ginger garlic paste as well. Cook the paste till the raw smell goes. And now here I am going to add my favorite veggies. Beans half cup, carrot half cup, and cauliflower half cup. You can also add corn, potatoes, broccoli, etc. as per your choice. And I'm going to add the salt as well. Half cook the veggies for 2 minutes so that the flavor of the veggies also raises up. And now I'm going to add 5 cups of water for 3 cups of Seeraga Samba Rice. After the boiling water raises, we are going to add 3 cups of washed and soaked Seeraga Samba Rice. It is essential to soak the rice minimum 15 minutes. Over soaking makes the rice to get soggy and mashy while cooking. And now if you see, after adding the rice, the water has started to boil. Now we are going to just close the cooker, and I'm going to cook it on low flame for 15 minutes. If you are going to insert a whistle and cook, you can cook for 1 whistle in medium flame. And after 15 minutes, here we see the simple veg pulao we have prepared. Look at the rice, how it has got cooked. The rice are very crumbly so that it has got cooked non-stickily. Finally, I am adding some coriander leaves to improve the fragrance. So now here our simple veg pulao is ready. It can be prepared in 10 minutes hard. I have just prepared paneer gravy beside. Just please stay connected to Nisha's Food Hut. Post your comments in the comment section. Stay connected. Keep watching. Thank you.